Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm just going to show you how to make these little envelope pockets, I suppose you'd call them. So they look like envelopes, but if you fold that flap down, it doesn't quite reach, but you could fold it down and, you know, put a little seal there if you wanted to use it for as an envelope. And you've got a few spaces to put things in. So you've got one space there and one space there. And then you could use that space as well. So you've got 2 or 3 spaces. And then if you stick these to a journal page, so if you stick them in an L shape, you have a little tuck there, and then you can fold that down, you have a little pocket there. And they're really quick and easy to make. So I've made them out of various pages. This one's been made out of an old atlas. This one is I think it's from a wine book that I've had for years and years, and this one is a book page. I'm just going to show you how to make them. Really quick and simple to make. So you start off with a square piece of paper. This one's from, I think it's like a book of scrapbook paper I got from Tesco again, from their donation box, and I paid 50p for it. And I like this one because it's got little polka dots. So you start off with a square sheet of paper. So we just turn it that way round, sort of diagonal. And then we fold this corner up to the middle. So I'll just do a very light crease there. So I'm folding that corner up to the middle. And as I keep saying, it doesn't have to be accurate. I mean, if you want to measure it, make sure it's accurate. That's up to you. But I get really bored of measuring things and making markings. It never comes out right anyway, so I just kind of wing it. And as I say, because these are handmade, they don't have to be 100% perfect. As long as, you know, they're good enough. They don't have to be perfect. So you fold that up to there. And then you get this edge. And then you fold it up until it meets these sides here. So I'll just show you that again. So you get your square piece of paper, diamond shape. You fold this bit to the middle. My trusty bone fold, i.e. letter opener. And then you fold this bit up to the top until it meets these sides here. And then you get these corners and you fold them in. Now I had to do a bit of trial and error with this one when I first did them. But again, if you want to measure it to make sure they're all even, you can do that. So I'm just folding that there. I'm just doing a very light crease just in case it's not in the right place. And this time I am going to measure it. So I'm just using my craft mat to make sure that corner there, so you pull it down a bit so you can see that corner there is level. So match up to that line, and then we're going to make that one reach that line as well. Slightly a bit tricky, but once you've done a few of them you get the hang of it. I think that's it. Make sure that's straightish. That's it. Okay, so that's just folding there, and then what you do is either that side or that side, you just tuck it in. So I'm just going to tuck it into there. See, that's opening there, so I'm just going to tuck that flap into there. And that's basically it. So you can leave that open if you want, but I'm just going to put a dab of glue on there just to seal that edge, that bottom part. And this is just normal PVA glue, nothing special. Let's wipe my hand. I've got some glue on it. Oh, let's wipe that off. There. So that's basically it. And then we get to the fun parts, which is decorating. So as you all know, or you may not know, I love inking around the edges, so I'll just do that. And I have graduated from washing up sponge to a proper, what do you call it, dauber, I think it is. I got these from Amazon because my little washing up sponge was falling apart. And also you get lots of ink all over my hands as well. And over my fingers using that one. And I'd run out of sponges. I didn't want to actually buy them just to use for my crafting, so I treated myself to a proper sponge dauber. It probably would have been helpful if you'd done this before you started folding the pages, but it doesn't matter. I'm doing it now. So I'm just going to get a bit of scrap paper and put in there because I want to ink that edge, but I don't want to make a mess of the inside. I'll put it on that side as well. There we go, inking away. And I love doing this because I think it gives a lot more detail to the bit of paper. And as I say, it makes it, you know, something a bit special. Takes to the next level in my opinion. But again, it's your choice. If you want to ink the edges, you can do. If you want to leave them, you can do. So I've just got a bit on the corners as well. So that's basically, so let's get to the fun bit, which is decorating it. So again, you can decorate it any way you want. So I've got a few bits and pieces here. So that's quite a big space there, so I need something quite substantial. I think I'm going to do a couple of stamp images. Here's my bargain stamps I got from eBay. Oh, that's beautiful. I think we might fit in one more there. Yes, we can. Lovely. So what should we put on that side? I've got some stickers. Bits of washi tape and some stickers. Let's have a look. I actually forgot. I'd got these. I can't remember. Oh, that's it. I got them from the charity shop, which is where I get most of my craft supplies. I like to go and have a mooch once a month, and I usually find something, and I think these are 99p. They look like bits of washi tape, I think. Washi tape stickers. Let's find something that we can put on there. I don't know what that is. Can't really find anything that I like. Oh, this one looks a bit more promising. Oh no, look at that. I think that would be perfect for there. Will it fit? Don't think it will. Right, I'm going to put that one up, this little jar. Now this is actually the first time I'm using these. I'm not sure if I've got an adhesive backing or if I need to actually, I think I might have to stick it on as it is, because oh, is it coming off? Nope. Yes, no. Right, I'm just going to stick that on there. So first of all, I'm going to where's my sponge thing? Here it is. I'm just going to ink around the edges. I'll have to have a play with these afterwards, see if they actually come off, if they are things you have to stick on with glue. I'm just going to put some glue on the back of that one. That's out of the way. And you can see that took me a couple of minutes to make. A minute or so to make. Once you know what you're doing, then you can sit down and mass make a load of these. I'm just going to stick that there. And I'm going to put something there. I'm going to use my favourite postage stamps. Absolutely love using these. So that's a nice big one, so that can go there. What country is that from? That's from Thailand. So grund that up a bit with the ink. And I should really have used my glue stick, but I left it downstairs. I'm actually upstairs in my bedroom. It's the only quiet place I can find to record these videos. I'm upstairs in my bedroom and I left everything downstairs in the kitchen, which is where I tend to do my crafting these days. I'm just going to pop that there. I don't know, just put it at a slight angle, just make it a bit different. And I feel like I want something there. So what have we got to put there? So I'm going to cut one of these out. These are the phases of the moon. So I'm going to cut one of those out. I'm going to find my scissors. Oh, found something a bit more. Oh, tides. Look at that one. And I'll tell you what I'll do. I think I do have one that's already half. Already cut. No, I can't. You know, I can't. I'm so disorganised this morning. I do apologise. So let's use the phases of the moon. So we can probably get the last two in there. Pop those there. And as I say, I'm not sure if the backs come off these, but they're too frilly to do at the moment. So I'm going to have to play with them later on and see if the backs come off. But just for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to stick them on there. And I think they'll be fine. So that's basically it. That's all done. So we just wait for that PVA glue to finish before we put it anywhere. So that's it. I haven't got a name for these. I suppose, I don't know, envelope, pocket, tuck, space things. I don't know. But that's it. So again, you've got a space there to put something in. You've got a space along there and a space along there. And if you actually stick this to your journal page, if you did an L shape, glued it in an L shape, you'd have a tuck there. Or if you did a U shape on the bottom, you'd have a pocket. So that's it. Quick and easy. So that's the one that's made from the sort of scrapbook paper. Again, this one's from the book page. I like this one. It's really cute. And this is from the wine book. And this one is from the old atlas. So thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.